Hey foodies, welcome back to Indian Super Chef Chami. Today we are diving into a delicious and colorful Sri Lankan favorite pancake. These aren't your regular pancakes, they are sweet, vibrant and bursting with the rich flavor of coconut. Perfect with a hot cup of tea or coffee. So let's get started. All-purpose flour, coconut milk, red food coloring, salt, turmeric powder, whole egg. In a large mixing bowl, add the all-purpose flour, turmeric powder, salt, and a pinch of cardamom powder for that delicious aroma. Crack in one whole egg and whisk everything together until well combined. Slowly pour in the coconut milk while whisking continuously. Mix until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter, silky and pourable. Now divide the batter into two equal parts. In the first part, add a little extra turmeric powder to achieve a bright golden yellow color. Mix well. In the second part, add the red food coloring and stir until the color is evenly distributed. Set both batters aside while we move on to our delicious filling. Let's make the filling. Grated coconut, brown sugar, a pinch of cardamom powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder. Heat a saute pan over medium-high heat. Add the grated coconut and cook it until all the moisture evaporates, leaving it dry and fragrant. In the same pan, add the brown sugar over low heat. Let it slowly melt and caramelize. Avoid stirring until it's fully dissolved. Once the sugar has turned into a smooth caramel, add the dried grated coconut back into the pan. Sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon, cardamom and salt. Stir everything well until the coconut is truly coated in sweet, sticky goodness. Remove the filling from the heat and let it cool down. Let's bring those colorful batters to life. Heat a non-stick saute pan on low flame and lightly brush it with oil. Take a ladle of the yellow batter and pour it into the center of the pan. Use the back of a spoon to spread it out in a circular motion, same like making a dosa. Let it cook until the surface loses its wet appearance and is set. Repeat the same process with the red batter, making sure to cook it low and slow for even color. With our vibrant pancakes cooked and ready, it's time to fill them. Place a spoonful of the sweet coconut filling right in the center of each pancake. Be careful not to overfill them. You want enough space to roll without tearing. Gently roll them up from one end to the other. The aroma of coconut and caramelized sugar will already have your mouth watering. And there you have it, Sri Lankan pancakes, soft, colorful and with a deliciously sweet coconut center. These are perfect for an afternoon snack with a warm cup of tea or coffee. I hope you give this traditional Sri Lankan recipe a try. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Invisible Chef Chami. Share your pancake creation with me, I'd love to see them. See you next time with more mouth-watering recipes. Keep cooking and keep smiling.